Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use AI for writing. First, let's explore the basics of AI writing tools. These powerful programs can help you generate content, brainstorm ideas, and even refine your existing text. It's crucial to understand what AI can and cannot do to maximize its potential. Begin by crafting precise and detailed prompts to ensure the AI produces the most relevant and useful output for your needs. To get the best results from AI, focus on crafting effective prompts. Clearly specify the tone you want, whether it's formal or casual, and define your target audience. Including examples or key phrases can significantly improve the AI's comprehension. For larger projects, divide them into smaller, more focused prompts. This approach helps the AI stay on track and deliver high-quality, relevant content consistently. While AI is a fantastic assistant, it's not a replacement for human oversight. Always review the generated content carefully for accuracy, coherence, and overall flow. Infuse your unique voice and style into the text to make it truly yours. Remember to fact-check any statistics, dates, or claims the AI provides. This ensures your final piece is both informative and authentic, maintaining a high standard of quality. To take your AI writing skills further, don't hesitate to experiment with various AI models. Each might offer a slightly different perspective or style. Use AI as a powerful brainstorming partner to conquer writer's block and spark new ideas. It's a fantastic tool for generating outlines or exploring different angles for your content. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.